Following the trend of just simple makeup, I created this gold burgundy effortless look using the Tarte Full Bloom palette. And if you want to see how I got this, then just keep watching. And if you love makeup tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Morphe JH31 blending brush. And I'm going to go in with the Delicate, which is a cool tone transition shade, all matte. And I'm going to blend this all over my crease area. This is actually one of my favorite go-to crease shades. I'm then just going to take the shade Witty. It's another cool tone, really good transition shade, a little bit of a purpley, taupey, cool tone shade. And I am taking a Morphe A20, the Ariel Morphe brushes. I'm taking Witty, and I'm going to apply this into my lower crease. Pay attention to your anatomy. Your crease might be higher or lower. Just find your brow bone and put it right in that socket. I used to follow many makeup tutorials on YouTube, and it wouldn't look the same because their eye socket is different than mine. I'm going to take the shade Lavish. It's a beautiful burgundy purpley shimmer. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. Making sure to get a lot of the shadow at the base by the lashes. Really pretty burgundy shimmery shade. I love how it's not so like precisely placed. It's like loose, effortless look. I'm then going to take the shade Energy, which is a yellow tone gold shade. I'm going to take that on my finger and apply that smack center. Bringing it up. I love that. That effortless look. I'm going to take a pointed pencil brush. This is from Ariel Morphe, and it's called an A7. Lavish, the burgundy shimmer shade. I'm going to apply that to my bottom lash line. And then just gonna dust out the fallout. Take my finger, going back in with the shade Energy, the yellow tone gold, and I'm just gonna apply that right in the smack center of my bottom lash line. Just like that. I'm gonna apply some black eyeliner to my bottom waterline. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that this actually is not one of my favorite waterline eyeliners. It's actually one I used all the time in high school, and my mom gave it to me because she bought it and didn't like it, and I prefer the Urban Decay one out there. That one's the best one, but I'm just using this because I have it, but I don't recommend it. I don't know, it just smears so easy, it doesn't last very long, but I'm just gonna use it up. I'm gonna take Rose Quartz Highlight by Becca, and I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner. Highlight my inner corner. Then going to apply some Lash Sensational mascara. And I'm going to apply the Ariel Demi Wispie lashes.
And guys, that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.